Today guys, I'm going to show you how to oil your butterfly machine. So you've got multiple oil points on it. The first thing you're going to do is you've got multiple holes down here. You're just going to take your oil and just a little squirt in each one. Make sure that once you do oil it, you run a test run because the oil will drip out from underneath here after it's oiled. So make sure you do a test run so that doesn't damage any of your materials. The second oil point that we're going to do is the springs behind here. So if you look in between here, you will see the actual spring sticking up behind it. All you got to do is just put your oil down in there and just one little drop on the spring, and it will run straight down back behind there, and you'll be good to go. All right guys, and then the last oil point that you're going to have is going to be your reservoir here. You're going to want to make sure that this is at least about 3/4 of the way full. So every one of your heads has its own individual container, reservoir on the side. So there's a small hole right on top that you can just put your oil container in. Fill that up about 3/4 of the way and you should be good to go.